Now to a new development in the case of accused CEO killer Luigi Mangione. His defense attorneys are accusing prosecutors of inappropriately reviewing private medical records as he awaits trial in the murder of United Healthcare CEO Brian Thompson.
ABC's Aaron Katersky joins us now. And Aaron, what does Mangione's team want to see come from this?
Well, they think there are a couple of different remedies, perhaps to include dismissing the indictment in Manhattan altogether, because Mangione's defense attorneys say prosecutors committed a violation so grave it could warrant the dismissal of charges or the removal of prosecutors from the case. Prosecutors say they acted ethically the entire time, and Mangione deserves no relief. This morning, alleged killer Luigi Mangione is ratcheting up his accusations that prosecutors at the Manhattan District Attorney's Office knowingly and inappropriately violated his rights by viewing his private medical records. Defense attorneys said prosecutors were able to see medical diagnoses and statements made by Mr. Mangione to healthcare providers in violation of his HIPAA rights.
HIPAA is the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, which essentially says that your health information is protected and should only be given to certain individuals when it is required by law.
Prosecutors have denied any violation. They said they subpoenaed entirely unremarkable information from Mangione's insurance provider, Aetna, like his account number and dates of coverage. Prosecutors blamed Aetna for turning over more information than requested. When prosecutors realized it, they said they notified the court and deleted the material. Aetna, however, said it responded to the subpoena appropriately. Defense attorneys asked the judge to hold a hearing to determine an appropriate remedy commensurate with the gravity of the violation. They said that could be the removal of prosecutors, the suppression of evidence, or even the dismissal of charges.
It's going to be up to the judge for him to make a determination on whether or not this was a careless, harmless error, or whether there was, in fact, prosecutorial misconduct, which would mean that they intentionally sought information they should not have.
Mangione has pleaded not guilty to the assassination-style killing of United Healthcare chief Brian Thompson last December on a Midtown Manhattan street. He has also pleaded not guilty to federal charges that could result in the death penalty. He's being held in federal custody and receiving so much mail. The latest update from his legal team showed he was still opening letters in July that he received in January. His online legal defense fund has raised more than $1.2 million. The Manhattan DA's office says these accusations about Mangione's medical records are inflammatory and dubious and no reason to delay the case. Mangione is due in court next month. That's when, guys, the judge could set a date for a possible trial.
Is this legit? Like, how
the defense believes
could this be?
The defense believes that his HIPAA rights were violated, that prosecutors went after information they shouldn't have, and they are looking for any possible opening to degrade the case. He's allegedly on video shooting Brian Thompson. It's a tall prosecution to overcome.
Lest we not forget that.
All right. Okay. All right, Aaron Katersky, thank you so much.